Thank you guys for joining me. We're just gonna wait a couple minutes. We had some technical issues. I'm 2 minutes late on this one. My screen didn't work. Always this is gonna happen. All right, I just stopped it. So we're gonna be live. We're gonna start in a few minutes. We'll wait for a few more people to join me, and we'll go from there. So today I will be going over how to start a new blog from scratch, create a website, get a URL, download WordPress, connect it to BlogStorm, and upload. At least I'm gonna try to upload 100 today, and I'll show you guys how fast all of this is gonna be done. So we'll wait a couple more minutes and then we'll start. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you could hear me well, and because I've been having some issues with the mic, and you could see my beautiful face as well. Let me know in the comments below. We'll wait for a few more minutes and we'll start. All right, let me get my stuff ready. How's your Friday going, guys? How's everything? It's a beautiful day here in Chicago today. It's actually not very cold, so it's pretty nice. Facebook users said yes, I can hear you well. All good. All right, let me double check. I want to be able to see if I could see you. Uh-oh. I just want to see if I could see the name. I'm getting a lot of messages saying my map pack toolbox down. Actually, it's not. We were deploying something this morning. That's why it went down for a little bit. All righty. Let me go back to, let me share my screen. I'm trying to see the Facebook events, so I would be able to see the names, whoever is commenting, other than just it says Facebook user. So we'll wait. Just give me a second, guys. That's the event. And blah, blah, blah. I can't really see it. It's okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna, yeah, I can't see your name, guys. Facebook user, say hi. Hello. All right. So let's go ahead and start. And I don't want to respect your time, guys, and appreciate you are joining me today. So the first thing I'm going to do today is getting a URL, and then I'm going to start. So this is like a work over shoulder. So I'm going to buy a URL right now. I was thinking something in the maintenance field, the house maintenance field. So fix it, fairy home. I think that's a good one. I'm thinking to buy it right now, and let me buy it. I'm adding it to cart, and I'll share my screen after I add it to cart and pay it. I'm gonna share it right now. All right, we're gonna start a new website, and then it's gonna be a WordPress, and we could use my email, and let's see, this is going to be the password, or let's generate, oh no, all right. So right now we bought the domain and we didn't buy it yet. I confirm, go ahead. I know it's a lot of money, $17.99 today to buy it, but I love you guys. I didn't want to go and buy it from GoDaddy and just send the DNS, change the DNS, because everything's going to be on SiteGround. So this will be a little bit faster and easier. So while we're doing this, guys, if you have any questions about BlogStorm or about this workshop, what I'm doing, please, just write it in the comments and I'll get to it between breaks like this one. Right now we have creating your site. It's going to take about 2-3 minutes. We'll wait for it to complete. So the map pack SEO, I mean the BlogStorm, what we have a couple modes. We do have right now the bulk people also ask questions mode, which is create all the questions. It scrapes the questions. The people also ask questions on the SERP, and then it will create a blog for each one of them. All done in a few minutes, and I'll show you guys how we do that. And then we have the local SEO mode. I'm not going over it right now today, but it's a very powerful mode. It creates a beautiful sitemap that it has semantic topical map cluster. So it will have the child, the main, the service areas, the cities. And it's something that's still work in progress. We're still improving it, and I'm sure it's going to get much, much, much better soon. We're planning to add some CSS designs and have it ready to go. All right, so this setup is done. Let's try to log in and exit wizard, and here we go. So now we have a fresh domain. It's fixitfairyhome.com. And then first thing we need to do is install the theme. So what I like to do, I'll go to the theme right here. Today, we're just gonna do a free theme, right? So we search for a blog. We add a new theme, and then we search for a blog. All right, and then let's see which one we want to choose. I want to choose one that I already used before. This way I'll be more familiar with. This looks good. Let me see how it looks. It could be better. All right, let's see this one. That's all the categories, and then we have, that's a not bad one. I like this one, but it doesn't list the posts at the beginning. So I would cancel this one. I would something that it posts, it has all the posts at the beginning of it. Let's see, Blogio. This is not bad as well. All right, let me look for the one that I used. I know it's all the way down. And the name of it, I think it's this one, but that's the one I clicked on it earlier. All right, see it. Okay, let's choose this one. All right, let's go ahead and install it. Activate it. All right, so we'll come right here and we'll start site identity, site name. The site business name that we chose is Fix It Fairly. No, it's actually fairly. fixitfairyhome.com and fix it today. Site icon, we need the logo, so I will get a logo real quick. And let me share my entire screen. I do have a really wide screen. Tell me, guys, can you really see everything on the screen? I mean, it's kind of small, but to be able to show you my workflow, what I do, uh, this is with Canva. And let's say logo design. And then let's search for fix, the word fix, and see if we could get something. It's more like yellow and home. Let's do fix home just to see if we could get. I like to have it more horizontal for this one. Oh, domain. All right, home fixing. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this, but we could start with this thing and put the fix it. Home, and then we'll do this real quick, and we'll get this blue. Let's keep this yellow, and let's make it dark yellow. So, and then we'll make this gray. All right. I'm just gonna delete this for now, and that's the white one, or let's keep this as yellow. Right. All right, that's good. We're gonna download it. We make sure it's a PNG. We make sure transparent background. But the actual logo, we need it 250 by 250. So just want to make sure we have the right size. So if we want to do the custom size, they change a few things here. Custom size right there. So 250 pixels by 250 to make sure that we have copy and resize this design. All right, perfect. And what I would do actually, instead of, I would change, that's the width, the height, let's make it 100. All right. Are you guys with me? If you are, let me know. If I'm going too fast, let me know. If you want me to slow down, let me know. I know this is just simple things right now. I like to make it look good. All right, download. We're gonna download the PNG, transparent background, download. Awesome. Thank you, Facebook user. So sorry, guys. I know this this thing, it doesn't show me the names. I apologize. I have to figure it out how to show the names. If you're on live on YouTube, I would be able to see the names. All right, so we downloaded the logo, and then we go right here. We'll go to the downloads. We'll find a beautiful logo. We'll put it right here. We don't want to do any SEO for this one. Then so crop image. Voila. Now we have. Okay. All right. I'm going to look at the design a little bit more later. And okay. Let's see. All right. So we got the colors. The colors are good. Background image, we keep it the way it is. your latest post. That's what we need. We usually, if you're creating a blog, what you need on the homepage is to be basically having the latest post. It's not choosing the static page, right? And then we go to site settings. We'll have it site dark mode. I like dark mode. Let me see if it's gonna change. No, I'm gonna go back to the clean mode. All right, and then this is publish. We publish this, right? And then a first thing we do now, we go to BlogStorm, right? We need to go to the, let's close this. All right, now we've done that. So what we need is to connect BlogStorm to it, right? So we go to the plugins, right? And add new plugin. And then we go to the settings here. And we're gonna click, first of all, you need to download the BlogStorm plugin, right? And then now it's downloaded. Guys, is it too big, the screen? Do you want me just to go on thank you, it's PK. Thank you, PK Barman. Thank you, Skandar, very nice. Skandar. All right, I'm gonna actually change it because you guys don't need to see the whole thing. So I'm just gonna keep this page. This will be clear. All right. Okay, so we downloaded the plugin and then we gotta upload it right here. But first we need to connect the website. So we take the URL. We'll come to the add a WordPress plugin. I'm sorry, add the WordPress website. But usually when we have to delete the backslash at the end right here on BlogStorm to be able to add it. So right now we have it right here. Okay. So, and then we upload the plugin that we just downloaded. All right, install now. So right now we're installing the BlogStorm plugin. We activated it. And then we go to settings. And then we go right here where we upload. We copy this code right here, paste it here, and then we click save and authenticate. And then ping verify. And then it gives you a message. It says WordPress site pinged successfully. That means everything is good. So if you want to come right here, it says not verified. So you refresh it and you'll see it's verified. Great. Awesome. Now we have the new website, download it. We bought a domain. We uploaded WordPress. We downloaded WordPress for it. We connect BlogStorm to it. So right now I'm able to push content from BlogStorm to the WordPress. So the first mode that I love the mode that it works perfectly for like a reverse engineering of the SERP, right? So let's say we really want to rank for the word home maintenance. All right, just a general broad keyword, right? So home maintenance. So these are the questions, right? And every time you click the questions, we're going to have more ones, right? If our website our blog has all of these questions as the title, right? And then we have a great content that answers those questions. What we're telling Google is basically, hey, I'm an authority about this topic, and I do have content that people are looking for or asking for, right? So the more content you have under the main keyword, it's give you the topical authority of it, right? So what I would do, I would go right here. So our main keyword is home maintenance, right? That's the one we want to rank for. What I like to do is go into the posts and add a category. So in this thing, I'm going to call it the home maintenance. So I add the main topic category as the main keyword, right? Perfect. So now we have it. We click right here. We click home maintenance. So what the tool does under this mode, the people also ask mode, we put the home maintenance keyword, but the first step what it does is just going to do a quick keyword research, right? And it will give you multiple other keywords with key volume of it. You'll see it in the search volume of them. So the home maintenance that we search have 2,900 search per month. That's not bad. And we have all of this, right? So later on, we're going to choose this as another category and upload the PPA mode from them. So, but in this case, we're going to get the questions for the home maintenance, right? And we click on the get questions while the questions, okay, and then we'll check. What I like sometimes to do, because it's a blog and I need thousands of hundreds of pages, I'm just going to click that checkbox. It's going to check them all, which is I have 12 right here. Or you want, and it looks like all of them, the ones, what is the regular maintenance on a home? What maintenance should I do on my home? What is the most important maintenance? That's perfect. So, okay, I click next. Now, on this screen, it's basically choosing what type of content that you need. So if we need, choose the content. If we need short form, what I like to do, what I found out that I'm actually ranking for these questions, because these questions don't need a long form like 3,000 words for it, right? 1,000 word, 800 to 1,000 word is enough to answer that one question, right? Other than that, it's a lot of content, no need. Honestly, I tried it both. I've been getting good results with the short form content, to be honest with you. Right now, the inbound, outbound, we're just not going to choose them right now just for speed. The image, we want the images to show, right? It's the AI image, so it's going to create an AI image. And then we have to choose what model, and we're going to add right now, more models right here. We're going to add the one with 128K for the GPT-4. Hopefully next week we'll add it. But right now I'm just going to use the GPT 3.5 just for speed, and results wise is not bad at all. So you click on generate. And because I didn't choose inbound or outbound, it didn't let me check which website you want. If I checked on the inbound that I need internal links, basically, it's going to tell me which website, and I choose that website for it. And then what it does while creating the content, what the code does to find relevant pages and link them together. Now, because it's a new website, there's not a lot of pages, it's going to be hard to connect them or find those relevant keywords. So the more you build, the easier the tool or the will build inbound links for you. So so yeah, you clicked how many? I just clicked about, what was it, like 2 minutes ago, 1 minute ago? And look, this notification right now, it shows us all of them completed. We do have a question. Let me read it. What platform are you building the website on before connecting it to BlogStorm? Great question, Omil. It's WordPress. I just bought a domain right now, and I uploaded WordPress. So that's the platform I'm using right now. All right, so let's go and see one of them. I mean, I could go fast right now and check this and upload it to WordPress right away without even checking it. But just for the video, I'm just gonna check a few things, and the rest of them I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. So because we are at 12:26 right now, I need to put another 100 to the website. So we're gonna move a little bit faster in a little bit. But for now, you click on this, it will show you the image, the content, right? And it has the main keyword for this, and this is AI generated main keyword and NLP analysis of the actual content and the entities and all of that. So the main entity here, or the main keyword, is the maintenance. And this will be your main title. That will be the H1 title and the meta title as well. And then we have the description right here somewhere, right here. Discover the true meaning of maintenance and how it goes beyond just cleaning. All right, so this is the content, and it looks okay. I mean, we could edit it. We could go and check more. The SEO score, it gives us 64. It will get, sometimes, my plan is to get him all above 75. With this one, it wasn't that great, which is okay, but it's still good. And we'll go right here. You'll see all of them, like some of them are 90. So if we want to check on this one, that give you a really good SEO score, right? All right, so that looks good. So let's go ahead and push them and see if the connection is working. We have 10 pages right here. We check it, push to WordPress. We choose, we have an issue. Okay. So the null, that's an issue actually. So I have to fix this. Just because I'm going, okay, that's the one. It shouldn't say the null. It should say the website name. That's a known issue. We're gonna fix it. But you choose the category. That's the one for the website that we put. We either choose the uncategorized. We don't put in any categories, or we choose the home maintenance, the one that we just added. So you cannot add category from here, but you could add it on the actual website itself, and then you come here. Now, enable auto tagging. This is very important because what it does, we have supporting keywords in that article. What it's going to happen, we're going to add those supporting keywords as tagging. And what it does, it builds the cluster and the connection between all of them much better. And then let's click on push to queue. Now, boom, boom, boom. Those are the notifications showing you guys that it's already pushed. And let's see them. Perfect. So we're having an issue today. Just because I'm live, my good luck, right? So we got them everything right here, but we didn't push the image. So that's something we usually, it's going to have the image as well. But today it's not going to have the images. So it's okay. We could do it later. So right now we have, let's see, there's another 2 pages right here we could push. Okay. And then we'll choose this one and we'll stay with here and put publish, enable. All right, and this is pushed as well. So now on the website, we do have the Facebook user said, that's amazing, with a heart. Thank you so much. So this is the cat. Let's go ahead and see the magic of it if you analyze the on page, right? So we have the H1 tags. We do have the meta title, meta description, all the good SEO stuff, guys, that you really need, that what matters, right? I mean, I build multiple websites as testing websites. This is a sample of it. That's another sample. And what else we have? I don't want to show all of them, but still testing websites. Okay, so now I'm going to move a little bit faster, and I'm going to move this to, no, we'll start with, okay, so we got the home maintenance. So we'll come right here, and I'll show you guys how fast I could go. We'll go with the home maintenance, and we have home maintenance services. And then we add this category. We'll come right here. Now we're getting the questions. That's another 12. Now I'm going to keep that short images and all of that, and keep this and put it for I think it's this one. And then we click create. Now it's creating another 12 blogs. Here we go. All right. And let's open another window. We'll go right here. We'll go home maintenance, or I'm really bad at spelling, guys. Maintenance, I can't believe I can't. What happened to me today? Here we go. Okay. And then we get keywords, more keywords. So we got 12 going. We got 24 blog right now on the website. So we added the home maintenance services. That's the one we did. Let's add home maintenance apps. So that will be good as well. We add this home maintenance apps. All right. And before I generate those, I'm going to go ahead here and upload them. Upload the top 10 to home service. That's the first one. Enable this. Enable auto tagging. Publish. This is going to push them right now. You can see how fast our platform is. It's just lightning fast. We'll push those two. And awesome. So we push those two right now, and then we'll go right here. Gonna get the questions for, I don't know, I didn't create them. So this is home maintenance apps. We already created the category. Again, we create the category as the topic cluster of the whole thing, and then we connect everything together. So what does home binder? Those are some people also ask questions. All right, and these are inbound and outbound, and let's generate this one. Let's create it with GPT-4 to show you guys how it's gonna create. So GPT-4, it takes a little bit longer, but I should have chose the long form than the GPT 3.5 because the API is a little bit faster, but it's okay. It's something, I think we're running ahead of schedule. Right now I have, let's go ahead and see how many pages I have. So we'll go to here. Okay, so we got to fix that trending now. That's basically, or it's not fixed. We just have to change the website layout. So these are the tags. I like to see them on the bottom. So right now, home repairs, we have all of this under the home repairs. So you see the tag on top right here. It's the website name, /tag, /home repairs. So this is the main topic cluster that it has all the websites under it, all the questions answered, all the PEA questions answered under it, right? So, and let's go back and see, we have posts. So we have 24 pages right now. And this is our completing. These are the GPT-4. So let's take a look at one of them. Those are short form ones. So AI images, we actually working on getting a better AI image for this. Better than what we have. What we have is not bad, but technology is going so fast, so we need to adopt and change it. Most likely, next week, it's going to be a DALL-E A3, which is a really good output coming off of the so home maintenance. The work usually the pictures are much better, the AI image is much better, but I think uh, today is just not a good day on the API side of it. All right, so that's a home appliance. Okay, let's go ahead and see the blogs. We have 12, another 10, I mean. We could choose these. This is the one under the apps, I believe. Yep, that's the one under the apps. And we choose the category that we chose under the apps. We enable auto blogging and publish. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions or concerns on this. I'm sure you guys do. Are you guys a users of BlogStorm? I mean, you could use this in multiple ways. You could create blogs for your customers that on autopilot, like once a month, that you create 20 or 30, but you use that PAA mode that answers all the questions that the SERP has under under the main topic, right? So the value of it, guys, we've been hitting a lot of websites under the PAA mode. I know we're answering the PAA section, but for some reason, the SERP is loving our content, and it's actually replacing one of these questions with our content, because the PAA section, it always update, right? So last few months ago, I was able to hit like a 2 million search volume keyword, and it brought massive traffic to the website, massive traffic, massive sales, massive authority for their niche. So and it was basically, to be honest, it was just 10 blogs that we created. I didn't do a lot of massive ones, but I did 10 blogs, and it happened that Google loved it and pushed it. I mean, ranked it there. So that was a really good sales. And now I do have other businesses, and all the blogs has been, I don't have a ratio yet, but a lot of them, it's more than 50% that it's getting on the PAA section, which drive more traffic and build more authority for your website. So let's see this. This is Home Snap app free. So the reason the picture is not showing, I know it's something. I think I chose the wrong theme, because some of them doesn't allow it to push it, or they just need a small edit to fix it, and the images is there. The images already pushed to WordPress, but it's not showing on the blog. We could fix that, and I'll show you guys a fix after. I'll play with it, and I'll share the fix, basically how it shows. But the intention is to have the image and have everything in here too. So, all right. So right now we pushed the GPT-4. There's another 2 right here. Let's push it, and that's under the apps. Great question. We have a question from Stavros. Hey, Stavros, which theme you recommend in this kind of websites? I would recommend this one. I really like it. It's called Blog Arise, right there. Blog Arise. I like this one. I should have started this one with it, but my next live, I'll do it with this one. It's easy to set up, and that's the one right here. And I like the layout, and it's been doing good as well. So yeah, that's the one. Let's go ahead and see. Right now we have 36 blogs. All right, so let's go ahead and check. Hopefully that answered your question, Stavros. If you have any other questions, let me know. All right, and let's go and see the mode. And Let's see if we have any other ones that we call fall home maintenance checklist. That will be a good one. You're welcome, Stavros. My pleasure. All right, so let's see this mode. Cancel, and then we'll come right here. So fall home maintenance checklist. So I would say home maintenance checklist as a category. So I'll go to the category right here, add it. So, and now get the questions for this one. Fall home maintenance checklist. So that's the people also ask mode. So right now we're getting tons of questions. It's not other tools, what they do, you create one or two or multiple blog, and then you create that Q&A inside that blog, right? And they use sometimes this to be answered, like they use the PA, people also ask. But what BlogStorm does differently, it takes that questions and create a blog for it. You could do it manually somewhere, but I'm sure it's going to take a triple and fourth the time to create it. It takes much longer time to do it. All right. And you'll see how fast it is. I believe we have the fastest blog creation, AI creation tool, but it's not just an AI tool. It's like the way we build it based on the SEO, right? So I want to just emphasize for everybody to know that this is like the whole thing was built to get good SEO results, right? It's not just our intentions wasn't like, hey, let me create a blog without having it ranking. No, I want to save a lot of time by just going to BlogStorm, create those blogs, push it, and get some ranking and get some movement, traffic to the website. And it's been working great. I know it's a method that other people used to do, but they used to do it manually. What I did is doing it as an AI. So we got a question from Cecile Glean. I know I'm late, but how can I get this blog software ASAP? It's so easy. You go to BlogStorm. You go to BlogStorm.ai. You click login, right? You're going to get to a page that you could choose a login or a register. So then when you register, you go to the credits. You open an account, you send an email, they verify it, and then you could, right now, it's a credit system because it's a demo. So it's $1 per credit, and it will cost you $1 per blog. But the blog it has an inbound, outbound, AI image, connect to WordPress, and it's pretty sweet deal, I guess. So then when you buy the credits right here, click on credits, and then you will be able to buy as many credits as you want, right? But very soon, we're going to have it as a monthly plan subscription that you could choose, and you get credits with it. All right. Let's go ahead and push those 10 websites. Boom, boom. And then we put the home maintenance. I think I chose checklist, home maintenance. You could choose multiple ones. This is a home maintenance checklist, and at the same time, it's a home maintenance. You could choose two categories under the same under one blog, and then click push. All right, this is my favorite moment. That Christmas light stuff, I love it. So that pushed already, and you'll see. This is one of them. You click on them, you could check each one by itself, right? All right, let me see. There is another on the second page. Push this. And then we have another 2 pages pushed. We have a new question from Robert. Robert is joining us from YouTube. Hi, Rob. Great webinar so far. Is this intended for local businesses or would it work with e-commerce? It works great for e-commerce. This is actually for all the modes, basically. Like I've done it for local businesses and I've done it for e-commerce. So one of the e-commerces I did is 21K gold, right? And the website is Cleopatra Jewelers. And let me see I know that's one of them we were able to, right there. So we were able to get, this is a 2400 keyword. So that's not bad at all. We were able to get the blogs on the Q&A, and there's more of it, I'm sure. I mean, I could share real quick and show you guys. I know this is I don't want to go through the results and stuff like that, but it will show you. Of course, that's not the only thing that we did, right? That's a full campaign that we're working on, but part of it is basically giving great blogs and put the blogs in there, and we're getting great traffic for this business. We used to get it started with 23 clicks, and right now we're getting about 100 around 100 clicks a day. So we tripled the traffic and we tripled the business, the money, the sales, and all of that. So it's going to be a long run for this business with us. But yeah, so answer your question, you could use it for e-commerce. I used it for local businesses as well. By it actually worked great for local business because it built authority for Google that this website has all the questions that people are asking around these topics, right? And it's not just one blog that it has 5 questions. No, they have 100 pages that answers all the questions under the main keyword. I don't know if that makes sense, but it works for both. So it works for local SEO or any other SEO tool. So right now we're at 12:49. I got 10 minutes, guys. I need to get to 100. Oh, I'm actually running behind. We're halfway. So let's move a little bit faster. So I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna create. We already created this home maintenance company. Home maintenance companies, monthly home maintenance check. Let's see what else we could get. I should choose different, like home maintenance. Let's say it's still under home maintenance. Could be landscaping, right? Landscaping will help if I spelled it right. So I'm just going to go to the category, add land. Let me see which one we're going to choose. I mean, Stavros have a question. How many posts you start with for a website like that? It depends what I'm trying to do. If I'm trying to, use it as a PBN, I want to put 1,000, 1,000 blogs, 2,000 blogs. If I want to use it for, I have another workshop. It's going to be about local PBN, how to use this to create local PBNs. I would put hundreds, 200, 500, and it depends on the niche. How big is the niche? Because you could see right here, this is a big niche, and we could put a lot. We could keep changing the home maintenance, electrician, to carpet cleaning. There's a lot we could do. So right here, we're gonna get the landscaping design. So I'm gonna put the landscaping design, get questions, and landscaping design. We'll add it as a category. Let's close this. Let's close this. Close that. And close this. All right. And we have, these are the landscaping design. Create the next 12 pages. There we go. And you mentioned another question from Stavros. And do you add various categories of blogs or just single category and plenty of posts? No, as you could saw, like as you could see right here, I created multiple. I mean, I'm creating right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 category. The lens, and you see there's 22 under homepage, 12 under home maintenance. No, so I choose different category and I use the category as the main topic cluster, right? Under that question. So the search right here is, when I did the mode, I mean the keyword search and I search it, that will be the category. The main keyword will be the main category. As you can see right here, those are 10 pages are being created as well. Let me make sure everything is pushed. We have two, those are the ones that we just finished. So I'll wait for it a little bit on the other screen. Yeah, they all are pushed right now. We'll wait for this one. And that's under, oh, here we go. That's 10 pages. Let's move them. Let's push them. That's landscape design. Enable auto tagging. Auto tagging again will be the supporting keywords. And if I show you guys, well, beautiful. This is my favorite moment. They're already on the website. Boom. Let's move those two and choose the right category. Enable, push. We have a great question with have you built from Cecile, have you built city pages with this software and what were the results? Yes, we have a special mode for it. It's called the local SEO mode. And if we have time today, I'll show it to you. I'll go over it real quick. And the results is phenomenal. You could build hundreds or 50 of city pages. I'll show it to you in a few. And it's so fast and it's great content as well. I'll show you to you in a few. Okay. All right, so we got that. Let's go ahead and we're running on the 1 hour mark. I know if I wasn't talking, I was doing the all work quickly, it would take me less than an hour. But it took me a half an hour doing all of this and build a new website, connect it to BlogStorm and upload content for it. It would have took me literally half an hour if I'm just doing it pretty quick, guys. But let's go ahead and add a little bit more. Let's go here and see landscape front yard ideas. Get these questions. We go to the category. That is a category for now. I know it's not a great category. It should be a subcategory, but it's okay. We could push it right now as a new category. We got 12 more. And sure, 3.5. We use the website and then we push it. Hopefully I have enough credits. I do. I gotta upload more credits. Can't believe I started this live without credits. I gotta buy some. All right, guys. Yeah, keep the questions coming. Keep the question coming. Do you want me to stop and show you the mode, the local SEO mode? You get the idea. And let me push this, and then we'll be done for this one for pushing it to the website. Let's wait for a little bit. And let's go to the website itself. So what I would do, I would fix this a little bit. These are all the tags, right? So the supporting keywords tags. So, but each one, if you think about topic cluster and all of that, this is gonna be great. But I chose the wrong theme today. Next time I'll choose the other theme that I used before, and this is not going to be on top. I could edit it and make it on to show right here. I mean, there's multiple way we could do it. Header, general, cancel. Let me see if there's this is done. Yep, those are done. Let me push them. Push those 10 and choose the right ideas, enable, publish. And I know there's another 2 right here, but this is already on the website right now. It's that fast. All right, let's push those 2. Awesome. Let's do this, push. Okay. So we were able to push 72 blogs in less than an hour. And that's and it's not just regular blogs. They're blogs in a PA mode that answers all the questions under the main category or the main keyword, the main entity. It all comes together, built together really good. I'll show you. I have, on my Facebook sometimes, or on our AI BlogStorm tool, BlogStorm Facebook. Oh, 1 second, BlogStorm. Okay, where am I at? I'm going to my BlogStorm. Oh, it's right here. I can't really see. Sorry, guys. Didn't have enough coffee this morning, so we're live right here. Oh, here's all the comments. Okay, so if we check, and I'll show you the map that this website BlogStorm built, the visuals. So these are, basically you have, it's great topic cluster. Basically, you have the main topic at the main category and all the questions. The PA mode answers all of that. And this is the same thing, and we'll go from here, there. This is how it will look. The more you build, the better it is. And it's not just clustered in, it's not an SEO optimized. This is SEO optimized topic cluster content that will rank and will get traffic for sure. Now, because it's a new website, it's gonna have some indexing issue. I've been using URL Monitor. It's a new tool that I really, really, really like. It's on. I met the developer on X, and he's really good. Really good. He used a couple of APIs, connect your Google Search Console to it, and he uses Google indexing API as well. Together, you'd be able to see indexing for multiple of them, and give you issues, what kind of issues, which one is not indexed, and it's pretty good tool. We have another question from Cecile. This is DC, by the way. I just bought the SEO map pack from you. Thank you so much. Hopefully you'll like it. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Does the blog software play well with Elementor? Yes, you don't have to worry about, yeah, it does play well with Elementor. You don't have to worry about it much. And if it did, let me know, because we're doing this for the local SEO mode, which is right here. So the local SEO mode is, I could go over it right now if you guys would like me to. And I'm trying to do some Elementor blocks or CSS work for it. So when we push the blogs, it looks nicer, not just a plain text, basically. Thank you for all the questions. Hopefully that answered your question. So the local SEO mode is my favorite thing, right? Let's show you a sample of a business that he uses it. A really great guy, and he was generous enough to share what he did with the website. So that's the page, the local SEO mode. what it did. Let me show you guys first what you do on BlogStorm, and then I'll show you the results. So you'll go over it without creating all the pages. So first, you search your business, because what I want it to do is connecting. I'll use your listing on Google to get all the information, like the name, the address, the phone number, the description, the categories, the hours, the phone numbers, everything that we need to create the content without you filling a big form, right? So boom, right now, and then you choose, you have to have your website already connected. So, but for this, actually, let me change it to Maddie's and Pancake House. You're gonna love this. DC, you're gonna really love that. Maddie's, what happened? Where are you? Maddie's Grill. Okay, maybe I misspelled something. Let's check it. Maddie's. Yeah, that shouldn't be right. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we'll check it. Then we click it. Now you have everything connected. And because you already connect to your website, you click your business profile. And we have all the information right here. We click add the service. You have the business information that you could check. Now you add the services, the service areas. So the cities that you want to focus on. So let's say this is in Illinois and Shorewood. We have the city Shorewood. That's where the business is. You create another one, Illinois. I'll show you guys how fast it is, right? Plainfield, add, and then let's say Illinois. Let's add Juliet, right? And let's add another one, Illinois. I don't know which cities is closer. Shanahan. Perfect. All right. So right now, what we did, we create the service areas. So we have 4 different cities. And now we add the service. So service 1 is, let's say, I'm just going to put it service 1 because I'm not going to push it, but I just want to show you that. Oh no. Let's say breakfast restaurant. The reason I have to type it is I want to show you this, guys. So now you need to write a small description of the service that you offer. And we have an AI button right here, and it's going to create the description for you. So it will save you time and you can move a little bit faster, right? And then you click the service dine in restaurant, right? And then we create the other service. And let's create the family restaurant. So what we did, we created, we gave the system 4 different cities and 3 different service that we offer. Now we put this button here to check the box, make sure everything is spelled correctly, and then you click View Semantic Topical List. Voila. Now, these are the pages that BlogStorm will create after we click on Generate right here. So what it's going to do, it's going to create a service as a parent page, a service area page, right? The service area page, this is the one, right? That's the one that the service area page will have. I think about it as an HTML sitemap that just have the list of the pages and links to them, right? It doesn't have a lot of content because it's not focused on the city and it's not focused on the service. It's just focused on like what services that we offer, right? So we'll come right here, the services. This is what it's gonna look like, right? It has link to the cities, and then sub-child or the child pages as the service city. And we'll see it right here. So if you could see I'm gonna zoom in. a little bit more to show you guys. So that's the service area page. And then we have the service area city page, right? And then we have the service area city service offered. Service offered, city, service offered, city. And this is going to happen to all the cities, right? So this is 18 pages, 17 pages. If you click generate, it's going to take him 5 minutes to create all of that, right? And push it to WordPress, right? So that's the service area. Let me show you guys this is going to be the city page. It has the outbound link to the website and to Wikipedia for the city. This is all done from BlogStorm. And then link them all together. So you have, this is the service city. And then you could go back to the city pages. And you'll see, guys, you get the point. So this is very, very, very powerful for local, right? And proximity coverage. You will, even on the grid ranking proximity, you will rank higher because you have the pages set up correctly, and it tells Google what kind of service areas you do, what kind of city you have outbounds to the cities that you service for. And then you have the list of the services in that city, and it's in the URL, it's in the meta title, it's in the meta description, and it's everywhere. That, let's check the meta titles and meta description. This is all done by BlogStorm. You have the meta title, and you have the meta description, and you have the right H1 tags for it. So this is very powerful, guys. So yeah, this is the local SEO mode. So to recap what we did today, we created a website, a blog, right? And that blog has right now 72 pages that we're using the PAA mode of the BlogStorm, which is the people also ask sections. We used the main keyword that we search for on the SERP as the topic cluster, as the category. And then underneath it, we connected all the people also ask questions blog. So we have each question has its own blog that answers that question. And it has the tagged, which is supporting keywords. As you can see right here, landscape design, design landscape, US. We could check how many blogs we have, how many supporting keywords we have. We have, oh, they don't list them right here. So, and then these are the 3 of them, and you should have more on some of them. So let's go ahead and like this one, garden maintenance. That was the landing and maintenance. So we check right here. We have garden maintenance, low maintenance plants, outdoor space, simple design. So all these tagging, they're either connecting to each other. So basically, you have a great topic cluster that connect all the pages together. And yeah, that was less than an hour. We created 72 pages. So we will show you guys how fast BlogStorm can be and how effective it would be, and how, and I could show you, I did a study even on our next workflow. I will show you how I copied created content via different AI content softwares, and I created on BlogStorm, and I went to Neural Writer, and I showed the difference. And always we better performing under BlogStorm, because we don't just create, it's not just a prompt that creates the content. There's some NLP libraries behind it, Python libraries that connect it, and we're rating the first page of Google. We'll get the meta title, meta description for all of the first top 10, and then build the content of it, right? You don't see it on the front, but that's all done on the back end. And that's how we're building BlogStorm BlogStorm articles, and they're ranking pretty good. All right. We have another question from DC that says, what about silo pages for something like dental website? Do you mean the silo pages for the city service pages? Because that's right now, the only two modes that we have is basically the people also ask mode and the local SEO mode. And the local SEO mode, I just showed you guys what it is or what it does. I would say the local SEO mode is the silo. That's the one that you're looking for. It's a service pages with the cities. And soon we're gonna create the magic cluster code mode and the custom solo mode, just for some of you who would like to customize a single blog to have a better layout or customize their layout based on their liking, how you want it to lay out. So use supporting pages for certain keywords to build out. I would use that. We don't have that mode, but I would use people also ask mode to use it as a supporting pages. I know it's posts, but it's going to be posts that support the pages, basically. Yeah. And I'll put it in on the to-do list and see if we get enough action or suggestions for people who will use it. We'll add it to the system. So thank you guys. I know I want to respect your time. It's already 1:15. I'm 13 minutes over the scheduled time. I'm sure it's a Friday today, and you have a great weekend, and I'm sure that you still have a few things to finish. But that's all what I wanted to show you guys today. I really wanted to show you how to connect a new website, create a new website connected to BlogStorm and create the pages. Yes, we still have a few styling that you need to do from design-wise or layout-wise. But today I was trying to show you guys how you could create the pages and how to create the website connected to BlogStorm and have 100 pages created in less than an hour. And we did that. We did 72 pages because we were talking and answering questions, but technically you could use it in half an hour. You'll be able to create more than 100 blogs. And if you guys have, a moment, go to my YouTube channel, search for my name, Robbie Rizk. It'll be great if you can subscribe for me, or you could go ahead and let me share this, guys. I'll show you my buy me coffee. This is great. I just started it right now. I'm going to share a lot of free stuff in here. So if you are looking for free do follow links, free tools, free knowledge, I want you to go and check. Like right now, I have a 91 DR do follow link that you could get for free. Yes, I want to ask for your email. I'm building my email list with this. That's the reason I'm creating them. But in exchange of your email, I promise I'm not gonna over spam you with messages or emails. But yeah, in the future, I will send you, like, I'm working on a really valuable tools or valuable documents or courses that I could share it with you guys. And then that's why I'm building my email list. So if you guys would like to just go to the buymeacoffee.com/RobK, and then you would be able to get all of these extras. If you go to the shops right here, I do have one, and I'm adding more. There's a bunch of them soon. It's going to be added, and we have the local SEO. We have some tools, free tools that you could join as well. So thank you guys for staying with me all this time. Appreciate it. You have a wonderful day and enjoy the weekend. Thank you, Robert. He said, thanks. Great stuff. I appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon. You guys have a good weekend. Thanks. Bye-bye.